everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this year's fall decorate with me. I'm so excited for today's video. I actually decided this year to split up my shopping and decorating, so let me know if you guys like it that way. That way I kind of know what to do for Christmas and the holidays. But as you guys can tell, oh, there's a little sneak peek. I'm filming this after I've decorated, but I love fall and Halloween so much. It is like my absolute favorite holiday and I just could not wait to decorate. I am so excited to take you guys along. Just a heads up, this will be more vlog style than like the voiceover typical decorating video. And honestly, that's just because, real raw unfiltered Carter here, I don't get how people can decorate and just like get it on the first go. Like I feel like it's so hard to like envision something in your head and to actually have it turn out. So I don't know if these people are just doing multiple takes and just uploading when they get it right, but I wanted to take you guys through and kind of show you the whole process of decorating, from putting things together, switching things around, reorganizing it, and then giving you guys kind of like a little mini house tour at the end, because honestly it takes me probably like 2 to 3 times to get the actual decorating part right, because I'm always just moving stuff around, and when you take out all of your decor, you know, it's kind of overwhelming and you don't really know where things are going to go and where you're going to put it and all that stuff. So I wanted to take you guys through kind of a bit more vlog style, show you guys what I'm thinking, show you guys the end result, and I honestly cannot wait to take you guys along. So without further ado, let's jump into it. But before we do, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. It helps out my channel so much. Lets YouTube know that you enjoyed this video and pushes it out to more people, which I'm so appreciative of. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that if you want. I film so many fall videos, and if you clicked on this, I'm pretty sure you love fall and Halloween as much as I do. So if you want to, go ahead and subscribe. There'll be times a week from work, lifestyle, fall content, and so much more. And I would love to have you join our little family. And without further ado, let's just jump into it. Alrighty guys, this is what we're working with, and this. So I think I'm just gonna tackle kind of like one room at a time. Okay guys, I am starting in the bathroom because that's the spot that I have the least amount to decorate. The only thing I'm gonna do this year is just put down the new bath mat that I got. If I have any extra decorations, I might put them in here, but honestly, I probably won't bother just because it is a bathroom. Like no one's gonna see it except for me. Out the bath mat at least to give it a little Halloween feel, and then we'll move on to the next room. Alrighty guys, next spot we're doing is the fireplace. I still need to paint the fireplace, which you guys might see in this video, you might not, but we are doing the mantle, which I'm really excited about, and that's the part like I always struggle with. But I'm really excited because I found some really great finds, and I actually snagged a giant mirror that I'll be able to use throughout the year and just kind of change out the additional art pieces. I definitely think that mantle is something I'm still gonna have to get some stuff for, which is why this is kind of like a 2-part decorate with me, because I think it's one of those things that you kind of have to like lay it out, see how it looks first before getting anything else. But we're gonna put up what we have here at least, see how it looks, and I'm really excited about it. Alrighty, so this is what we have so far. I definitely think I need something over here, but I do love the way that it looks, but I definitely need something over here, maybe a taller candle like this. They had a bunch of different sizes at Marshall's, so I'm kind of thinking of going to get another one, like maybe the really tall one, another one this size to put over here. Hi, but I think it looks super cute. Maybe some bats around here, but I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what to put on the other side to balance it out, but I'm thinking some more candles and then some twinkly lights in here. I really don't know what we're doing, but I'm thinking about putting bats around here. I think it'd be just kind of cute considering I don't have much for the coffee bar. I'm just gonna switch out the Nespresso holder, take out our fall mugs, and that's about it. Maybe utilize this somehow. I don't know how, but somehow use it. But like I said, everything is like a work in progress, and like I just don't believe that people get it right on the first time when decorating because I cannot figure this out. So I'm gonna leave it. I literally took that candle from the mantle, but it's all about experimenting and finding what works for you. I kind of want to see if I can find something for the keys that's black and like not this, because this obviously is not the vibe, but we'll see. But I actually think I might put this on the mantle. I don't know, does that work? I feel like it's kind of too awkward. Maybe on this side, maybe like that, and then have the candles here. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, it kind of looks cute. I don't know, we'll see. I'll leave it for now. And then just this little fall candle. I don't know, I'm just like... bedroom, we still have to paint it, but I actually got new sheets and stuff for the bed off Amazon. We needed them, like I didn't just get them for Halloween, but we have this really nice sheet set, but we have a dog, so it doesn't work. So I'm gonna change these out and then put the Halloween pillow on it, and then maybe do something on my side of the bed. I haven't really decided yet. We'll see kind of what we have left over, but yeah, let's change out the bedding. In my office, so I have this little area that I want to decorate. I did this when I did my work from home makeover. I don't know if I love this little sign here, but we'll see. Angle, but I'm obviously outside. I'm gonna tackle the front door now that the pavement people are gone. But I found my pumpkin from last year, which this is great for us because we can put poop eggs in it when we were in the condo. But it's just like a nice decorative pumpkin for now until we can get a real one, so that makes me happy. This bench out here this year, which I want to like line with pumpkins. I think that would look so cute, but for now we just have this little fake pumpkin. Alrighty, I'll take this, and I guess we will put it, I don't really know where to put our welcome sign this year because it can't go in that corner because of the door, but it can't really go here. Oh no, what am I gonna do? I can just put it, okay, well for now I'll just put it in the corner here. But yay, I love this doormat so much. So cute, and I put this little thing underneath it. Candle number 2, like so. I think that looks so much better, so much better. I bought it, but it has 2 things, and I need one that goes in the middle. So I don't really know where this is gonna hang because I only have 1 thing. I guess we could just use command hooks. I believe I almost forgot to switch out our dish towels also. Does anyone else's dish towels actually get dirty? Because I feel like everyone on the internet just has these like really nice clean dish towels that don't get dirty. And these don't even match, but this is reality. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off. Ones that we got from Disney last year. They're so cute and fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. I don't know how people make their dish towels like super even and pretty, but there we go. We have some dish towels all done. Alrighty guys, last project of the day. Painting the fireplace. I'm so excited. This is the one that we're using. Oh, that's the French side. This is the one that we're using. High heat. I don't even know what color it is. I'm assuming it's black, but it doesn't even actually say anywhere what color it is. So I'm hoping it's black. I kind of ghetto setup because I don't have any newspaper flyers. around one of it looks like. I'm gonna do the glass tomorrow. I just kind of ran out of like things to use, and I also need to figure out what to do with this. But this is what it looks like so far. I love it. I think it looks so good. Absolutely love it. I also brought the blanket ladder down here, and then I moved some stuff around. I put the side table over there. I just thought it fit better so that this was like Stella's corner. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is cozier. The nice thing about our couch is that you can put the long part on either side, so I didn't attach it in the middle. That way we can move it around. I'll see what Matt thinks when he gets home, but I might maybe flip the long end over here. But I don't know, I kind of like it. Let me know what you guys think. I just like to change things around, and I think that way Stella's bed's a bit more concealed now. And then this was just so empty that I was like, let's bring the blanket ladder down and see how it looks. But that's how that looks, and then I'll give you guys a tour in a little bit. Alrighty guys, it's a few days later. I'm all comfy and cozy in my Halloween outfit, which does not look very cute, but that's okay. I'm wearing this Nightmare Before Halloween shirt, and I wanted to give you guys like a little mini house tour before ending the vlog off, so you guys can kind of see, because I did move a few things around, and then I'll go ahead and end the vlog off. It still looks the same like when I decorated. I didn't change anything. Bathroom, kind of just like our extra stuff. I have this little plush knit pumpkins. I love these so much, but they just like didn't have a good home this year. And then I have this extra sign that I have from last year that kind of like wasn't our style anymore, but I didn't want to get rid of, so it's in the bathroom. It's a really gloomy day here. I showed you guys that we moved the couch around. Sorry the lighting is bad. It's a really gloomy day here. What it looks like, we just have this cute little sign and some matches and our remote. Obviously there is going to be a candle right here. I just haven't gone to grab it yet, but that is this part. I just love how minimal it looks. And I finally finished Fireplace. I think it looks so good. There's definitely like a few spots to touch up, but it looks so good. Like if you kind of just go like this, I think it looks so much better now. And then this is what's up here. This is what we kind of decided on. I don't know if the pumpkins are gonna stay, but Stella was eating them, so I had to move them somewhere else. But I love it because I'll honestly probably keep these candles and the mirror here all year round and just change out whatever's here, because the black contrast of the fireplace goes well with the mirror. And then in our dining room, we just have this little sign and then the fake flowers from Michael's, which I still need to trim, but that's what's here, just nice and simple. And then so the fireplace is here. This is the dining room. And then on this wall here, I just have some extra bats and then the sign from Spirit Halloween, and I just love the way that it turned out. And obviously this is like the end of the kitchen. I ended up taking this off the mantle and putting it here. I just thought it was kind of like clogging it up a little too much. And then this is the coffee bar, which I am so obsessed with. It's like my favorite part, honestly. Love how it turned out. The office, same as before, I believe, but this is the final product. Still need to figure out what's gonna go down here. And then in my bookcase, I just kind of have some like extra pumpkin stuff that didn't really have a home, but I wanted to put it somewhere. The room is pretty much the same still have the same layout. I love it. I love this bedspread after sleeping in it for a few days. And then over here, I just have a candle and then my phone charger stand. Yeah, so that is what's in here. I love it. It turned out so well. And yeah, that's it for our Halloween decorating this year. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's definitely you guys some inspiration to decorate for yourself. I kind of like how the downstairs is more like out there and then the upstairs is kind of a bit more minimal. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!